Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a Mexican cuisine. A creamy, zesty dip made from ripe avocados, fresh lime juice, and a blend of herbs and spices. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as guacamole, guacamole, gua, co, ma, li. Guacamole. Guacamole is commonly served at parties, barbecues, and family gatherings, making it a popular choice for both casual and festive occasions. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about guacamole, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.